What's up guys, in this video I will give you guys a detailed explanation on how to enter a stock, future, currency pair, or any market you guys want to trade. It works for every single market. I have backtested this system over a large period of time and on 3 different markets, each time delivering a very high success rate. Now, for this entry system, I personally use the 10-minute and 5-minute charts. You guys can feel free to test out other combinations. However, I have only analyzed and backtested the data on this particular combination, which I use every day for my day trades. This system is what I call a 2-bar breakout logic, and it is used only if you have found a good setup that respects the plan you have made before taking the trade. On the other hand, it can also be used in a more general trending context such as reversals or trend continuation, and this is exactly what I'm going to talk about in this video. Therefore, let me explain this properly using actual charts. The first thing you guys would want to look for is either a 2 10-minute candle retracement or a trend change using the same concept of 2 10-minute candlesticks. So right here, we actually have both examples on this 10-minute chart of the S&P 500 future, also known as the ES. First, let's take a closer look at this trend change. As you guys noticed, we put in the first lower high after a series of higher lows, indicating a trend change going from an uptrend to a potential downtrend. Then, we look for at least 2 retracement candles on this same 10-minute chart, which oppose themselves to the initial move. In this case, we have 3 green retracement candles that oppose the initial downwards move, confirming a retracement. As a consequence, if and only if you guys find this type of setup where at least 2 10-minute retracement candles are present, you can hop on to the 5-minute chart in order to find the actual entry. That being said, we need to switch to the 5-minute chart in order to look for the actual 2-bar breakout entry. In order for the system to work, you must have at least 2 5-minute candles that trade somewhat sideways, as our entry will be the break of the ultimate high or low if you're looking to go short, as seen on this chart for instance, of the 2 previous 5-minute candles. Let me show this more clearly to you guys. So in this trend reversal, we can see that this 5-minute candle broke the ultimate low of the 2 previous 5-minute candles, indicating a potential short, therefore an entry. This system can also be found right here. We had our 2 10-minute candle retracement, therefore we look for an entry on the 5-minute chart. We have our sideways trading bars followed by a break of the ultimate low of these 2 previous candles, showing us that we must enter and proving us a high probability of success. Another tip I can give you guys when using this type of entry is to wait for the 5-minute candle to be at least half of its formation, otherwise it's very easy to get wicked out. Based on my study, large moves in the first or second minute of the 5-minute candles, more often than not, result in a wick before resuming its move or reversing. This is why I usually wait for at least the 3rd minute of the 5-minute candle in order to enter. Here's a recap of what we talked about in this video, as I know this might seem complex at first sight, however it is not if well understood. Therefore, I have this for you guys. Feel free to screenshot it if you want to. In the first step of this system, you need 2 10-minute candles retracing the initial move. So you look at the 10-minute chart. Then you look at the 10-minute retracement on the 5-minute chart and find at least 2 candles which are trading sideways. And finally, wait for the current candle to break the ultimate high or low, depending on either if you want to go long or short, of the 2 previous 5-minute candles in order to enter. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.